Hi, I'm Frankie from Struggle Meals, and I'm gonna do a blind taste test on Cacio e Pepe, the Struggle Meals version versus the fancy restaurant version. Cacio is Roman dialect for cheese, Pepe is black pepper, and those are pretty much the only ingredients in the dish. Oh, that's the restaurant, for sure. They've got a pretty thin noodle that's really nice. I can taste that they mounted it with a little bit of butter. The cheese is perfect. It is the salt for the dish. And the pepper's nice. It's not hitting me too hard. I really like it. It's fantastic. Also really delicious. I can taste just a little more butter in mine. The cheese is perfect and the pepper's right there as well. Both seasoned perfectly, both pretty mild on the black pepper, which is nice. Cacio e Pepe is essentially adult mac and cheese. So when I think of mac and cheese, I think of no texture whatsoever in pasta. And this definitely does that for gli americani, right? Do I have to keep this on? The difference is not 9 times the price, you know what I mean? And I've got texture and they don't. They've got a little more cheese and I don't. And so, like, they're very even. I'd be happy to eat either one of these for dinner, 100%. But I'd be much happier to keep more money in my pocket. Especially with these inflation rates, am I right?